In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add item specifics on eBay. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher on the process, this tutorial will guide you step by step, ensuring your listings are as informative and attractive to buyers as possible. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to begin by starting a new listing. Once you're logged into your eBay account, navigate to the Sell tab, often located at the top part of your screen. From here, you can either create a new listing from scratch or edit an existing one. If you're creating a new listing, you'll need to provide some basic details such as item title, category, and a brief description. But our main focus today is on the item specifics section. Now, after you've set up the basic structure of your listing, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section labeled Item Specifics. For those new to eBay, item specifics are a critical part of your listing because they provide potential buyers with concise and essential information about your product. This information not only helps buyers find your item when they're searching for something specific, but also increases the visibility of your listing in eBay's search results. Once you're in the item specifics section, it's time to enter all the vital details like brand, size, and material. Let's break these down a bit. For the brand, ensure you input the correct name as it appears on the product itself. If your item is unbranded, eBay often gives you an option to select unbranded or no brand. Next, specify the size. For clothing and apparel, this could be numerical or letter-based, such as medium or size 8. Depending on the category of your item, additional specifics might be required. Common examples include color, model number, or material type. Make sure that this information is both accurate and detailed, as these attributes are often used as filters by buyers to narrow down their searches. Once you've filled in all the item specifics, take a moment to review everything. This step is crucial because accurate details are key to converting searches into sales. When you're confident that all information is correct and thorough, go ahead and click on the Save and Continue button. Doing this will ensure that all your inputted data is stored, and you can proceed with setting up the rest of your listing, such as pricing and shipping details. And there you have it. Filling out item specifics is a simple yet incredibly powerful way to boost your eBay sales. It makes your listings more discoverable and helps buyers make informed decisions quickly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy selling on eBay!